So this is the next day after the hurricane. We have no light right now. You can see the power line stuck in the tree. I'm gonna show y'all more damage that was done. And look at this. The whole tree. From the root of it.
Guess what, Mommy?
Just all came down. The whole tree, and this is a huge tree, guys. The whole tree came down. Then who's this buffoon? Look at this.
Yeah, Mom, bro. I found Mom.
Tree came out the root.
No, don't copy me, don't copy me.
Look at this.
Mommy, see, Mommy's is a film. Take a video?
Yeah, man, so it's looking crazy out here. Trees falling everywhere. No light. This the aftermath. This the aftermath right here. Trees on the ground. Crazy. We're gonna walk around and show y'all more. Got some kids on the tree. Just having fun with the aftermath, ain't it? Got a little bit of flooding over here. It's not too severe, but cars can't really get by right now without messing up their engines or something. Oh yeah, I ain't trying to wet my socks, bro. Yeah, it's flooded. Yeah, it's kind of deep now. Just looking at what went down, man. Day after the hurricane, it's kind of chaotic. But you see people getting together, you know, trying to help out, clean the neighborhood, you know, pick up debris, pick up trees. We got police at the end of the block. All the really big issue right now is that we have no light. Get out the street, guys.
Get off the street.
Look at that, though.
Oh my God. That's a big one. What's that big
Come here, Jaden.
What's that big shit right there?
Still have no phone signal out here. It's crazy, man. Yeah.
What's y'all channel?
Delver High.
Hold on, I'm gonna take that one so I can subscribe to y'all.
For sure. So yeah, man, this about it for the day. This the damage in the hood right now. This the damage in the hood right now. So y'all go like and subscribe, man. Remember, we bring it to you first. Delver High, DH News, Delver High News. Y'all go like and subscribe to our page, man. We gonna update you if there's any more if there's any more information y'all need to see. But yeah, man, this how the hood looking right now. We flooded, trees down there, well, and now we just trying to reinforce some cleaning, get some cleaning done, help the neighbors out. You know, I did my little video part for you guys at home. So now it's time to go get our hands dirty. Remember, like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Show us some love, man. See y'all.
We got Junior chopping down the tree. I don't know why.
So it don't be protruding all in the street.
Oh, that answers my question.
Get that, man.
You got skills?
You know I do.
Came straight from Haiti when he was 15, so he know what he's doing.
15, huh? Where you came from? The Santa Maria?
No, I'm Puerto Rican.
You Puerto Rican?
Shut up.
I'm surgical with this, boy. I'm like Dr. Miami. Shing, shing. six pack. Shing, shing. Tummy tuck. Shing, shing. All of them.
We out here, you feel me? Really out here, bro. I'm doing all the work though. He just took my machete.
You ain't doing nothing, Irma. Let me show you guys the new member of the family. We haven't really introduced him the right way. There go my Spady Wadey, huh? Say hi. Wait. Wait. Say hi. This is Spade. Handyman want props for cleaning up the yard. Be careful.
Oh, he don't step down.
Oh, he's doing all the work. I did half of it. Y'all didn't see everything I did. I done did all this by myself. I did all of this by myself because they was out walking around doing who knows what. Now they want to chop a couple branches and they think they did a big job. Look, now he want to chop. Go chop. Watch him chop his hand off. Oh, be careful your feet. That thing was close to your feet. See y'all later, you guys.